Anderson, what are you doing? Little Dooney's just taking it. Oh, man.
Look at Anderson.
Dooney's like, any attention is good attention. Oh, my gosh.
Look at that.
Anderson, what are you doing?
Do you see that hand? Can you see that?
Let him keep petting.
He's not
Dooney.
petting, he's pulling.
Dooney, don't you want to move? How are you enjoying that?
I guess it hasn't hurt yet.
Oh, man. Oh. What are you doing, buddy? You giving the kitty a hug? Honey, get out of my shot. Aww. You hugging the kitty? Uh-oh. Oh, honey, watch. Eyes. Aww. He wants to pull her back.
Okay, honey.
All right.